Hi there, Robin here, and these are some JST connectors. Now there's male and female. This happens to be a 3-wire. It also comes in 2-wire and 5-wire setups, and 4 to be honest. I mean, they're pretty much in any configuration. Now this is standard. You see a 3-wire. They're very popular because a lot of people are buying digital LED lights, and these are the plugs they put on their digital LED lights. They look just like this, and you're going to need to buy some spares if you want to have some. It's also a very good connection if you're looking to do any projects where you're going to be soldering the ends on, because this connector is locked when it's connected. So it's not just kind of soft connection like you see with a lot of LED lights. This actually won't come apart when it's snapped together. So that is very important. So there you go. So this is the 3-wire. Remember, when you're playing these together, the wires, the colors are consistent. Now your project, these colors might be different on your project, but as long as you keep consistency, I mean, if you don't have a white but you have a black wire, well, if that's where your black wire is, as long as you continue wherever that black wire is supposed to go on the other side, you're fine. They don't have to be exactly the same colors. As long as you wire them up the same at both ends, you'll be fine. So there you go. They come in multiple pack sizes, yeah, they just work. That's what they are. So if you have any type of LED projects and you see a connector that has a funky 3-pin type plug on it and you're going, what is that? Well, there you go. That is a JST connector. So I hope this video was helpful for you today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching. Bye for now.